Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen and you're watching Capsule Pharma News. Friends, if you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So don't wait and let us get into today's news. Friends, coming to the first news, Mallareddy College of Pharmacy is organizing a fourth online quiz competition, that is a fourth online quiz competition series on topic pharmaceutics. And getting into details of this quiz competition, who can attend this quiz competition? B.Pharm, M.Pharm and PharmD students can participate in this quiz competition. And coming to quiz information, it contains 20 multiple choice questions, each one carries 1 mark. And there is no registration fee for participation in this quiz competition. And certificate criteria, who can get the certificate? Participant must have to score equal to or greater than 60% marks. If you score 60% marks, then you will receive the certificate. And after successful completion of the quiz competition, you will receive the certificate. Friends, if you want to participate in this quiz competition, the registration link or the quiz link is already in the description. Go to the description of this video and participate in this quiz. Coming to the next news, CMR Pharmacy College is organizing a webinar on medication errors, a global concern, by speaker Dr. V. Ravichandran, M.Pharm PhD, FSA, Professor and Head, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, AMST University, Malaysia. And this webinar is going to be held on 10th July and the registration link is waiting for you in the description. If you want to register for this webinar, go to the description of this video and register yourself. And these are the details about this webinar, and e-certificate will be awarded to all the participants. Friends, and the platform for this webinar is Google Meet app. You must download the Google Meet app in order to attend this webinar. Friends, coming to the next news, CMR College of Pharmacy is organizing an online quiz competition on subject pharmaceutical analysis. If you want to participate in this quiz competition, the registration link is in the description. And you will get e-certificate, or they will award you e-certificate when you get more than or you score more than 50% of the marks. Friends, these are the details about this quiz competition. Friends, coming to the next news, School of Pharmacy Technology Management, Hyderabad campus is organizing a pharma talk with Professor, that is listen to Professor Balamudi Ravi, Institute Chair Professor, Mechanical Engineering, Biomedical Engineering and Technology Innovation Center, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, that is Medical Device Innovation, Stories and Best Practices. And friends, this webinar is going to be held on 25th July 2020 at 6 p.m. in the evening. If you want to register for this webinar, as I already said, the registration link is waiting for you in the description. Go to the description of this video and register yourself and participate in this webinar. Friends, this is the news available for today. If you like this video, give a like and share this with your friends. And see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Capsule Pharma News and stay connected.